Hey everybody, how's it going? Today let's take a look at this 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS 6-speed. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Camaro. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Brandon Reeves Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. Let it run. Large doors, two-tone tan black leather interior, perforated leather seating, neutral, $46,268 miles. Very nice. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. Like I said, it's a 6-speed manual. Over and up is reverse. Alrighty, go ahead and cut on the headlights as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Aggressive front end. Chrome SS wheels. It does have removable T-tops, and I'll demonstrate that in just a second. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate the T-top removal. All you have to do to begin, pull down the visor, unlock it, you lift straight out, then pop the trunk, then store them in their designated places below. So we've already unlocked it. Pick it up, slide it, and lift it. Then just slide it in. Hit the other side. That's it. Does have a custom dual exhaust. I'm going to pop the hood. The Camaro SS comes with a 5.7 liter V8. Not bad. miles. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Say power sliding, tilting driver's seat. Like I said, it's covered in perforated leather. Manual recline. You do have a tilt steering wheel. Yeah, let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Very muscular. Not bad at all. Put the window up, but still have the T-tops open. Simple to use climate control, rear defrost, different zones. Has a monsoon audio system. Not a bad sound system. Radio controls. Cruise controls located on the stalk. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Pull here, releases the seat forward. Perforated leather bucket seats. This is a little bit tighter for taller passengers. I'm about 5'10" myself. The headroom isn't too bad. It's definitely where the legroom is, though. I will say, though, these seats are quite supportive. A lot of nice bolstering, and that dip in the middle really keeps you set in place. And we'll go ahead and shut it down. Press this to turn it, and you're good to go. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle. It's a large hatch, and as you can see, where I put the T-tops, it's a CD changer built into the rear. When you don't have the T-tops in, you have this extra cover that goes over the rear. A couple cargo anchors, rear speakers. It's a fully manual passenger seat. It's a rather easy car to climb into. With the wide opening provided by the door, there's not a whole lot of hindrance. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble back one of the T-tops. Let's go ahead and take the passenger side. What I got to do is line it up and fit it into its groove. And just slide it up the center. Then lock it. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of the 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Make sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.